back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work from home job lead. This week, I'm trying to mix it up for you. I'm trying to get some customer service out there, some non-phone out there. I'm going to try to find some healthcare positions. I am throwing what I can at you this week because I am going on vacation next week, so you'll probably see not many videos from me next week. But with that being said, today's non-phone job lead is from the company Calchemy Enterprises. Now, they don't have very many reviews. They only have 27 reviews on Glassdoor, but out of the reviews they have a 3.8 out of 5-star rating. As always, please do your own research on all of these companies before giving them any of your personal information. But this Glassdoor page, as well as the job page, if you're interested in putting that application in, is linked in the YouTube description box below this video. But they are hiring an accounts payable specialist. Now it says this is hybrid or remote. You can take your pick. We are interested in the remote. I do believe this is for the United States only. But as a company, Calchemy believes passionately about experiencing the outdoors, how it improves our lives as individuals, families, and communities. So they leverage a strong foundation in recreational safety education, becoming the trusted guide for customers to experience successes in all of their outdoor endeavors. They are looking for somebody to manage their accounts payable and receivables. Now, their accounts payable has an email box that things come into. So they are looking for you to manage the accounts payable email box for invoices that are incoming and communications regarding that accounts payable that is incoming to the email. You'll respond to those emails appropriately. You'll enter vendor AP invoices received from the multiple entities into the AP computer system in an accurate and timely manner. You'll set up the vendors for approval, including their W-9s and 1099 designations. You'll complete a weekly check runs and weekly month-end procedures. You'll reconcile and document credit card transactions. You'll work with the manager to record invoices from purchase orders, and you'll communicate up with the department heads regarding approvals and receipts for invoice payment. So completely non-phone, done through the email box, and then of course entering those invoices into the system. Best part about this position is they do not require any kind of college degree. They just want somebody who has 3 to 5 years of some kind of accounting experience, someone who has the ability to organize, work on multiple projects at the same time, someone who has great communication skills, great problem solving and organizational skills, and of course somebody who will keep the information they see confidential. Now, they don't state what the pay is, and I did try to do some investigation on Glassdoor and could not find an estimate for pay, so the pay range will have to be discussed at the time of the interview, but they do offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.